Introducing the Fiber Driver with Air Boost. A complete system designed to tackle the toughest FTTH fiber runs with ease. Meet the impossible course. A 200-foot conduit run with 4 sharp 90-degree bends. A nightmare for any installer. The technician took one look at the course and refused. Hand-feeding fiber through tight, high-friction conduit? Not happening. It's just not a solution for jobs like this. Time for the Fiber Driver. The Fiber Driver pushed hard, navigating tight turns and covering nearly the entire run, proving its strength even in extreme conditions. Attaching the Air Boost unlocked a whole new level of power. It powered through all 200 feet and 4 sharp bends in just 32 seconds, turning the hardest install into an easy win. The results speak for themselves. The Air Boost transforms FTTH fiber installation, delivering speed, control, and unmatched capability. If you think that was impressive, imagine how fast your everyday installs will be. Designed for the toughest jobs, built for speed, ready for the worst. Jameson Fiber Driver with Air Boost. Power through the impossible. No spool mules were harmed in the making of this video.